how to set contact info on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the browser. Okay, you can tap this. Here in browser settings, in autofill section, you can see here the see contact info. So, okay, contact and payment info used to quickly confirm forms. Your autofill activity is used to improve ads and other parts of your Facebook experience. So, okay, to add or to set contact info, you'll have to do is tap this, and I have no contact info created. But to add or to set, okay, you'll have to do is tap the add button on the right side of this no information save. Tap the button, and now you can edit contact info. This information is autofill information if you created. So for my example, I put the name, Chad, last name, Kabili, street, okay, Mainit, and unit, apartment, for example, 12B, city is Tayabas City, and the zip code is 4327, state, this is example only, so Quezon, phone number, so okay, email address. So okay guys, this is example only of info. So after you create the information, tap the save button below. Okay, save change, and information has been saved. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set contact info on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.